On the left-hand side, click on Apps, search for Color Harmony, and click on the Color Harmony app. So what this app lets you do is that if you have trouble coming up with a color palette and you want help with that part, you can choose the color that you wish, and this app will automatically generate some color palettes for you. So if you scroll down, you can look at some of the color palettes that the Color Harmony app has generated. So if you're looking for bold and dynamic or subtle and harmonious, you can click on these options and see which ones suit you best. And these colors are all recommended based on the app, which can help you create a color palette for yourself. And so I can switch the colors here, and these color palettes will change along with it. You can also check a random color palette. So here are some of the random color palettes that this app has generated that have very good contrast with one another, and you can constantly shuffle the colors to generate a color palette that you like. And you can also check the more popular color palettes that are available, but these are for pro users. So if you click on this, it will take you to a different page outside of Canva, and you would have to subscribe to the Color Harmony Pro plan to be able to select some of these color palettes. But what I usually like to do is that if I see a color palette that I like, say for example, I really like this color palette here, I can click on it, and then on the left hand side, I can go to brand and add my brand colors, and I can just add a new color. And I can click on it 3 times, and these colors will automatically reflect the colors that I just chose with the Color Harmony app. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.